Let's fly from Florida to Maryland. Airplanes can carry lots of people. Some can carry over 800 people. The pilot is the person who drives the airplane. Can you see the pilot in the airplane? The airplane is pushing away from the gate. Airplanes have wings just like birds. That's how they fly high in the sky.
And not smoking.
Do you see the other airplanes?
And finally, if needed, 4 oxygen masks will fall from the compartment overhead.
We're getting ready for takeoff. Now we're on the runway. The airplane needs room to build up speed for takeoff. Airplanes have blinking lights. Red, green, and white lights help them be seen at night. The runway is very long and wide.
We have been cleared for departure. Double check those seatbelts. Enjoy your flight.
An airport is a very big place. Listen to the engines get loud. The airplane is about to go very fast. There's the control tower in the distance. Here we go! We're taking off! Everything on the ground is shrinking. is slowing down now.
On behalf of this flight crew at Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Baltimore. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelts fastened just like they are right now until we have arrived at the gate. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, that is your indication that it is okay to unbuckle and stand up. Please use caution opening the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function on your phone as long as it's within reach and your carry-on items stay stowed under your seat. Be advised that the front and back doors of this aircraft will be open for ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure you and any children you're supervising remain clear of those front and back doors. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, check the monitors in the terminal for your most updated flight and gate information. We know you have a choice when you fly. We do appreciate you choosing Southwest today. If Baltimore's home, welcome home. If you're visiting, we do hope you have a wonderful time while you're here. Go out, buckle up, be safe. Always remember, show kindness and love. Welcome to Baltimore.
Other airplanes at the gate. To Baltimore! Hooray!
Flight attendants, please disarm and cross-check.